We've been sharing a lot of information about our smart AI-based dash cam. It's a product that we're really excited about. And we've been getting some questions about what happens when you are outside of cellular coverage. And it's something that we've been thinking about for quite a while. And we're actually integrating a satellite modem with the cameras. We're sort of in test phase at the moment. And what that will do, it won't send video via the satellite network, because it's very expensive, but it will send the events via the satellite network. So if a fatigue event is triggered, you'll still get the event sent through on the tracking platform to let you know that a fatigue event has occurred. You'll be able to review the footage later on, but in the short term, at least, you know that a fatigue event has occurred. This is looking to be out in the new year, but if you'd like to find out more information about what this solution will do, click on the link and have a read of our blog article.